What is going on, my Purpe fam? How's everything going tonight on Christmas Day? Merry Christmas to everybody. Purpe, nope. Purpe says Merry Christmas. I was like, wait, I gotta figure out where Purpe's at. Purpe is right there. And welcome to Purpe Live with, yeah, my coordination's all off tonight, guys, but it's all right. My allergies are kicking up a little bit. So we are gonna go over what is going on this Christmas Day for Purpe, for the markets, and for in general on what I think what's gonna happen with with the investments, with Purple Pepe, with crypto in general. So let's go ahead and get in and check what we are going to see, what we're going to do. Let's do it. Starting with the price of Purpe. Yo, Levi, what's going on? All right, guys. So we have Purple Pepe coming in at $10.45 million market cap, liquidity 667.4. We got the circulating supply 420.66 and the holders 46.82. So we came a little bit up. I know earlier I think we were like the 23s. Just a couple minutes ago we were in the 25s. So we are coming up and we are still forming in this channel. So I'm seeing some potentially bullish things right here. So what we got, we tried to break this resistance, came back down, tested the support here. I got to make another line at like the 24.20 mark and bounce off of that. So we really just need to break above this 25. Yo, B fam, what's up? And so we got to break above the 25. And then we can start working our way up into, I think after that, we're going to probably hit the 27s. And then once we can pass 27s, I think it's upwards. Here, let's go on the daily chart. Let's see what we got here on the daily chart. But got my Mountain Dew and making me feel pretty good, pretty energetic. So, I mean, it's crazy. We go on the daily chart, and we can clearly see that we are still in like this cup handle formation, and that is a very, very positive sign. I think, Christmas could have been the turnaround time, could have been that time where we are going to start seeing things turn around. Are we going to break this resistance right here and flip it into support? So I can see us coming back up, breaking the 25s, maybe coming all the way up to 27s, bouncing back off 25s, and then coming up from there. But we are we're back over the 10 millions. Is this gonna be like last time where we went right under the 1 millions and then we just blasted off? We went right under the 10 million and we're gonna blast off. We did 140x last time. Would that be nice? Yes, that would be very nice. $1.4 million. Billion dollars. Sorry, $1.4 billion. That would be absolutely nice. But we are gonna have to see what happens. Can we go from 10 million to 1 billion? That is 100x. And I think we could. I think once the markets get rallied back up, I think we are definitely in to see some very, very bullish things. I think the markets are bound to turn around. I think 2025 was that year for altcoins, for meme coins, to kind of be a little bearish, so we can get that bearish time out the way before we start moving on up. So, and I think now we are going to see some major positive things. So, I mean, right now what we're really seeing is the price of precious metals, right? They're going up. They're going through the roof. The markets were closed today for Christmas, but I'm pretty sure they open back up tomorrow. So we'll have to see what's going on. But gold and precious metals are absolutely going through the roof. That's the gold price. We have the silver price up, $3 for the day. That's actually crazy. Can I have your purple frog? No, my purple frog. My purple frog. But maybe one day, maybe when I become a gajillionaire, I can get you your own purple frog, and then we can be purple frog buddies. But yeah, gotta love the purple frog. But the silver, right? The silver, gold, all those precious metals are up. Let me see. I think even platinum, I think might be, yeah. Oh, jeez, platinum's up $170 for the day. Holy. So all these metals are going up, right? And so that's what we're kind of seeing. The metals are going up. So I think people are kind of taking out of the crypto markets right now, going in the precious metals. But we have seen a good little spike. Bitcoin's at 89,000 right now. We have Solana at 123. So it's really going to take, I think, Solana to continue to push forward, to push up, for us to be able to make some more gains and get some more. Sorry, I gotta plug my phone in. To make some more gains and for us to start to move our way up when it comes to crypto and meme coins and things of that. It's gonna continue to go up. So that's a positive thing as well. So we got things like Zcash back at 443. We got let's see, Sui at 140. So it is really going to take I think this year just needs to kind of end, right? I think 2025 needs to end. 2026, I think everyone's looking at that right now for the next bullish time, and it's definitely going to be something to where people are going to find some gains. They need to find some gains and elsewhere and kind of come back. I think that's what people are doing right now. They're going to the stock market, they're going to precious metals, they're going to prediction market. Crypto is just one sector, right? And so I saw a video earlier. People are going to the prediction markets. So they're going to the prediction markets, and they are definitely let me go ahead and move that. So they're going to prediction markets, and they are making some gains, and I think they're probably going to bring those gains back to crypto and meme coins, and you got to kind of follow the money, and I think the money, that's where it's at right now, but I think it's coming back, right? I think it's coming back. So we got my group at 19.7 followers. Purpe Army. We got 12.7 followers right there. And on the 23rd, let's go ahead and refresh this. Get the latest and the greatest. So they posted 2 days ago. ChatGPT created this image using subjects I've inputted over the past year, and it's spot on. That's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. It's coming, and that's so funny. Good morning. There's the purple sign, right? The purple sign. So it's coming. So we got that as well, and so let's see what happens. I think Purpe is really trying to break out. Sorry, guys, for the allergies. Jeez. Purpe is really trying to break out. I think we are seeing some bullish action. There's been a lot of other coins that have been really pushing forward. And I think some of the major players in Purpe, I think they're going out. They're gathering some more funds. And then they're going to come and create some more FOMO with Purpe, and you got to think people can start actually getting their tax stuff ready. Technically, you can file it with your last paycheck of the year if you have that information. So people are getting their tax information ready for those tax returns to start hitting. That comes February, March. So what I see is we might start the new year maybe slightly go up. People are going to get all those tax returns, and it's absolutely going to push it out of the water, and we are going to just start massively going up. I think starting maybe February, March, and into quarter two, I think we're going to continue to go up, and I think we are going to see some very, very bullish times with Purpe and the markets. We kind of are waiting for Solana. Like I said before, we're kind of waiting. I mean, Purpe can run on its own. Don't get me wrong, but it would really help if Solana will start making its way. I was gonna say downtown, but anyway, making its way back up past like the 150, 160, 180, 200. Then I can start seeing Purpe naturally moving up right here because it's attached to Solana. And then FOMO will start. Everyone knows about Purpe, and we're going to continue to go up. Purpe staying in the top coins, and I think that is one of the biggest things that is going to push Purpe to the moon. Some people are kind of branching out, trying to find these gains elsewhere. But Purpe, I think it's kind of a clear picture. It looks like it wants to push up, guys. It really does. It looks like we have the shoulder, the inverse head, and the inverse shoulder. So inverse shoulder, inverse head, inverse shoulder right here. And it looks like we're just waiting to kind of push up, push forward, move on, and move on to bigger and better prices. So that is definitely something that I am excited to see. So hopefully everybody had a good Christmas. Purpe is telling you to have a good Christmas. Purple Pepe. So, you know, my buddy, Purpe over here. He, he told me he got a lot of money for Christmas, and he wants to share the wealth. He wants to make sure all the Jeets are out, and all the Chads are in, and then my buddy right here is gonna go ahead and start pushing back up to new all-time highs, and to $500 million, $1 billion. I think we could do it. I think we could do it. Not financial advice, of course, but I think we could do $1 billion market cap in the peak of the bull market, when in my opinion, we'll be seeing Solana go 500, 700, 900, even $1,000. I think Purpe is going to be reaching well over all-time highs, and so it's super exciting times. Super exciting things are about to happen, and guys, still got over my Billy coins. So I'm just holding. I'm holding until well past all-time highs. And so, like they say, fool me once, shame on me. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. I was fooled once, right? I thought it'd be easy to go get some more coins, come back, and it took me a long time to get my Billy back, and I finally got it back. So I'm holding on for dear life, and I ain't selling until we reach looking for the millions, baby, not the thousands. So that's kind of what I feel is gonna happen. I feel like 2026 is gonna be a very good year for Purple Pepe, and I think we are going to see some major gains. So hopefully everybody had a great Christmas. I'm trying to see. Let's go ahead and kind of see. It's looking like we're gonna end the year in red, right? 22% negative for quarter four when it comes to Bitcoin, and 28% negative for quarter four when it comes to Ethereum. So we're seeing that. Poly market, let's see. So we're down to 13%. I don't think we're gonna get a rate cut in January, guys. I think we're gonna have to wait for January to get that rate cut. Really like Poly market. Kind of tells you, it gives you a better feel for what's gonna happen in the market, and it's really good. So yeah, we're waiting, and we're waiting to see what is going to happen. Let me see. The coin perspective. So guys, if we went to the coin perspective, I really, really love this website. So all you got to do is you do Purpe, Purple Pepe, and it's showing you the price right now. And it's saying if Purpe did the same price and the same thing as, let's see, where we got, if it does the same thing as, let's say, Sweet. Well, that's a little bit high. Let's see. If it did the same thing as, let me see. Where is it? Pudgy Penguins. Let's do that. Let's do Pudgy Penguins. If it does the same price as Pudgy Penguins, which is $574 million market cap, 574 million point five. That'll be a 54x. So if, let's say, if you have 1 billion, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you would have, if you have 1 billion coins, you would have $1.4 million at the price of what Pudgy Penguins is right now. And so I don't think that's hard. Just over a half a billion. I think that's pretty easy, guys. So if you had 1 billion coins, you will have $1.4 billion. Million dollars. Sorry. $1.4 million. So super, super exciting times. I'm excited, guys. Let's see if this, let's do another one. Pancake swap. If it was, let's see. If it was the same price as maybe Near Protocol, that's 187x. You'd have $4.7 million at a $2 billion market cap. That means at a $1 billion market cap, you will have half of that. So about over $2 million. If you have 1 billion coins, which is about 25 grand right now, right? 25 grand. I think it can get there. I think it can get well past. I think it can at least do half a bill, if not a bill, right? So really, really exciting times. Really, really exciting stuff. We're just waiting for the markets to push up, guys. That is all we're waiting for. Unless the core team decide to go ahead and just push this. I think we are just waiting for the markets, and we are waiting to see what happens. But anyway, guys, we are looking for some very, very positive stuff, positive action. And like this video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below.